everybody. As usual, there is no need of asking how are you. I know you people are fine by the grace of God. Yet again, another English lesson. Actually, it is not a lesson, it's a poem. Okay, first, before we begin the poem, we have to know who is the author of this poem. See, here I have written this is written by a poetess. Poet is masculine and the feminine gender of poet is poetess. So the poetess of this poem, Quarrel. The name of our poem is Quarrel, and it is written by Eleanor Farjeon. What's the meaning? It's a bit difficult word. A name. It is Eleanor, Eleanor Farjeon. 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 Okay. And she was born on 13th February 1881. She was born on 13th February 1881, in London, that is in United Kingdom. Okay, and what are the speciality of that poetess? She is an English author. She wrote a lot of children's stories. She liked to make you people happy by writing stories. She wrote a lot of children's stories, plays, then poetry, biography and history. These are the main things she had written in her life. So, the name of her poem is Quarrel. Have you ever been in a quarrel with your siblings? What's the meaning of siblings? Your brother or sister. So, have you ever been in a quarrel? Of course. That is natural. Everybody at home, brothers, sisters, there will be quarrel for silly matters. And after half an hour or 1 hour, again they will become friends. That is the bond of love. Then after quarrel, after that they will be more of love. So everybody has quarrel in their life. And what is the meaning of the quarrel? We have some other synonyms of quarrel. See, these are the synonyms of quarrel. What are the synonyms of quarrel? Fight. See, fight. Then clash. Then we can give another synonym for that. Argument. Argument. What do you mean by argument? So, disagree with any opinion. Argument comes when two persons disagree with an opinion. Then comes the argument. So, that the reason might be silly or maybe strong. See, the fight becomes right and wrong. One person will say what I said is right and another just disagree with that. That is no, what you said is wrong. So right and wrong. Then the fight arises. Another, sometimes the fight will be for silly matter, slight, silly matter. And the beginning will be a slight matter, sometimes it may go worse. Then it will become strong. The reason will become words, and sometimes you can see children always fight for silly matters. But there are quarrel between people, grown up adults, and there will be fight between nations, countries. Then it will turn to war. The situation will become worse and it will turn to war. And the elder people, they will fight for silly matters sometimes. And we used to read in the newspapers killing each other. Why? Because of the anger. They cannot control the anger. Silly matter they will begin and it will lead to murder. Okay. So, but here in the siblings, they will have fight for silly matters. That is after, as I mentioned earlier, that will after 1 hour or so, they will finish it off. So the quarrel, the poem begins like this. I quarreled with my brother. At home, sometimes the sister will quarrel with brother. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. I quarreled with my brother, but I don't know what is the reason. What about? What is the reason I quarreled with him? One thing led to another. One thing. See, usually we can hear, she has taken my pen. She has taken my pencil. So like that, the children will quarrel each other. Then the mother has to come in between and solve the problem. That is so. One thing lead to another. You have taken my pencil and lost it. Then here the brother will take her pen and he will do something, and the fight will continues, goes on. One thing lead to another, and one thing lead to another, and somehow we fell out. Then after that, what sometimes we will the quarrel will go on, and we will for some time we will not talk to each other, we will not play with each other, and it goes on like that. The start of it was slight. The fight will start with a silly matter. The start of it will be slight, the end of it was strong. See, here it is. The start of it will be slight and the end of it will be strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. As I have mentioned, see, the first person will say, I'm right. What I said is tomorrow is Sunday. Then the teacher said that there is no class for you. Then another will say, no, we have to, okay, there is no online class, but we have to study. Then the brother will argue about that. So slight thing will happen, and again it will go on, lead to bigger and bigger issues. He said he was right. I know he was wrong. Okay. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then for some time after that, from morning it started up to lunch, they were not talking, they were not playing each other, and afternoon the atmosphere became very black, and it is going to be even in night. Then slowly the brother, what happened? Then suddenly the brother, obviously one has to bow down to the other. So here who has taken that first step? The brother has taken. It's going dark and dark. It's going to night. It is night. So we have to finish it out. The fight started in the daytime, and the day long they were going on like that. But at night, the brother thought that it's not good to quarrel with my sister. She is my blood. She is my own sister. So it's not good for me. I have to compromise with her. So the brother at last came and tapped on her back. Then suddenly my brother came and thumped me on my back and said, "Oh, come along." Then he said to her younger sister, "See what foolish we are. No, we are foolish. Foolishness we have done. Why we are not only brothers and sisters, we are great friends. There is no other to play with me. You are the only one to play with me, and you have only me to play with. Why we have to quarrel with each other? Come on. Oh, come along. We can't go all night. I was in the wrong, so he was in the right." So the sister thought that I was in the wrong and he was in the right. This is the poem. So once again, all of you, those who have the textbook, listen to the poem. Once again, I will read. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." I was in the wrong. He was in the right. So, in this poem also, whatever lessons and poems we have studied, for everything, the lessons I have Tarot's reward, I have repeated everything, the moral of the lessons and the poem. And the moral of this poem is that to show the bond of love, even though the siblings fight each other. But after fight, everything, the problem solved, then they love even more better than the previous time. The bond, because the bond of love is like that. So this is the moral of the poem. Even if we fight, don't keep it till the night. Solve it during the day. Okay. In the Bible also, Holy Bible also, it is written, see, whatever we have done, don't keep it for the night. Who knows? Tomorrow I will be there to solve that problem. So whatever fight or quarrel or anything is there on the day, that we should not drag into the night. We have to solve in the day, it's daytime itself, before the darkness spread. So we have to go to bed in a clean heart, with a purity of mind and heart. Love each other. I have no hatred towards my brother, towards my friend, towards my mother and father. I love them. So with a clean heart, with a purity of mind, go to bed. The God will bless to see a good, pleasant morning. Okay? Thank you very much. Study very well. And your TP will be on Wednesday. Okay, 6:30 to 7 p.m. Take care. Bye.